In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the product ID, SKU, and variant on Shopify. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Shopify store. Go to the home page of your store's admin area. This is where you'll have access to all the different sections you need to manage your store effectively. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on Products in the sidebar. This option will take you to a comprehensive list of all your store's products. Here, you'll see everything you currently have available for sale, organized neatly for easy navigation. Next, scroll through or search until you find the product labeled Example Shirt 2. Click on it. By doing so, you will bring up detailed information about this product. This is the page where you can see and adjust various settings concerning this particular item in your store. Now that you're on the Hot Products page, the next thing you need to do is locate and click on the Inventory option. This section is particularly important because it provides crucial details regarding stock levels and management options for the product in question. Here you will find valuable information such as how much of a product you have in stock. As you continue down this page, find the section labeled SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit. Click on it. The SKU is an incredibly useful element in retail, acting as a unique identifier for each product or variant in your store. It's essential for both inventory management and customer orders, helping you keep everything organized and easily accessible. Moving on, you should also click on the section labeled Barcode, which may also be referred to as ISBN, UPC, GTIN, or similar. This gives you additional classification data that helps in the tracking and distribution processes. It's especially useful if you're selling items that require universal identification systems. Continue by clicking on Variants. Variants in Shopify allow you to offer multiple product options, like different sizes and colors, under one product listing. This section will present you with each option available for the Example Shirt 2. Finally, to access even more details, find and click on the URL that shows something like https://1egkv1k0 myshopify.com/products example shirt 2. By doing this, you're effectively opening a page that highlights this specific product's information on the public-facing side of your store. It's important to double-check this URL for accuracy to ensure you're looking at the correct product. Once you've explored these sections, you should have all the information you need about the product ID, SKU, and variants for the Example Shirt 2. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage and analyze your products more efficiently. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.